Kelsey, you have really accomplished so much, and you're a huge inspiration to my family, and I know all these people around you. Jackson, you are acquiring an intelligent, beautiful, sassy, badass woman. And Kelsey, you are acquiring a sweet, hardworking, and extremely genuine man who I know will always have your back and be there to support you in all your endeavors. You are acquiring someone who I trust will keep your life adventurous and your love pure.
I knew it back then, and I know it now. From slacking off at work just to talk to you and hear about your day, to walking the streets of Vancouver, eating every oyster that we saw on our way to see John party. Each step along the way has been more fun than the last, but it hasn't always been easy. We made it through our first few years battling distance and extremely busy work and school schedules. I think that brought us closer together and it made us stronger. And I love you more than my words can say. And finally, I promise to remind you every day how much I love you and how amazing you really are.
I wish I could write you an old country love song describing all the reasons that I love you, because I know I'll never be able to find the perfect words. We've grown so much over the last 4 years, from long distance to living together to buying our first house together, and now we stand here today getting married. You have shown me unconditional love and support through your friendship and patience. I admire you and look up to you. You are one of the most extraordinary, thoughtful, and caring humans I'm lucky enough to know, let alone getting to spend my life with you.
By the power vested in me in the state of Washington, I now pronounce you husband and wife.